Surge voltage is a potentially serious damage phenomenon in electrical equipment. To protect these devices, engineers use metal oxide varistors, or MOVs, and surge protection devices, or SPDs. Let's explore the differences. Working principle. An MOV adjusts its resistance rapidly with changes in voltage to shunt overvoltage. An SPD is a complex device composed of multiple components, like MOVs and gas discharge tubes, providing multi-level protection against various surge intensities. Structure and composition. An MOV is a simple, compact unit, directly soldered on a circuit board. An SPD is designed as an independent module or box, installed in distribution cabinets, making it suitable for industrial environments. Application scenario. MOVs are used in economical scenarios, like household appliances and light control products. For example, Leadtop's LT104 uses a 160 joule MOV. SPDs are used in high-level protection places, like communication equipment and data centers. Life and maintenance. MOVs may deteriorate after multiple surges and need regular inspection. SPDs have a longer service life and often feature a status indicator, though regular maintenance remains important. Conclusion. Correctly selecting the appropriate surge protection extends equipment life and improves system safety. Trust Leadtop for your protection needs.
Leadtop, your flexible OM or ODM partner for smarter lighting solutions.